Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Desk for You. This is Satish. So today we are going to be showing in this video how to download the Visual Studio Code and how to install the Visual Studio Code and how to install the plugins in that editor and how to run the sample program. So why I choose Visual Studio means there is a n number of editors for doing practice web designing or UI designing. Technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. So these sort of technologies, if you want to practice, you can install Sublime, Brackets, Vim, Visual Studio, Notepad++, Atom, any of the editor. So one of the easiest and user-friendly editor is Visual Studio. So I choose Visual Studio to work on my system. So in this video, especially I will show you how to download and how to work with the Visual Studio. So friends, first go to the Google and type Visual Code download and you will get the first link and click on the first link. And here you will find all required versions for our platforms. Like if you are using Linux, you have to download the Linux version. If you are using Mac, you have to download the Mac version. If you are using Windows, download the Windows version. So here I am using Windows, so I am going to be downloading Windows version. So it's getting downloading. Please wait until it's downloading completed. Yeah friends, it's downloaded successfully. Now I will open this folder. So now double click on the setup file. So it started installation process. Yeah, now I'm accepting the agreement and click on next, and you can choose the other location to install also. So by default it is showing C drive. So I'm choosing next, and do not create start menu folder. It's up to you whether you want to create a start menu folder or not. I'm not clicking on that, and create a desktop icon. So if you want to create, you just click on this checkbox and open the with code action Windows Explorer file context menu. Means whenever you right click on any file, it will show you open with Visual Code. And same way Windows Explorer directory context menu also is having, and add to path. So please put it by default because automatically will open when you open the system. Register code as an editor, supported file types, like it is by default enabling the editor. So just I'm creating add to path and creating a desktop icon and click on next. Click on install. Yeah, so once installation completed, just I'm clicking on finish by launching the Visual Studio Code, so that we can able to see that how the editor will be and how to install the plugins we'll see now. And if you want to make it taskbar, just right click on this and pin to taskbar. And this is the editor what I'm explaining with Visual Studio Code, and it is showing releasing notes. And here very important thing is you can also install the plugins to this particular editor. Like here we have option, see source code control, that is GitHub connection, and also run the code, debug mode, and extensions. This is important. See, go for extension. We can add different extensions with respect to our requirement. So very popular extensions are, first of all, HTML. You can see here. So CSS support. So you can install this. So it's already installed. So if you want to uninstall, you can uninstall it. And even we can install Bootstrap. Bootstrap 4. This is commonly we using. This is also already installed. And let us assume that if I want to install JavaScript dependencies, so here I'm going to be installing JavaScript. We require JavaScript. Yeah. So JavaScript code snippets. It's already installed. Yeah. So Sass less SS. This is also one way of writing the better code. See, I'm going to be installing this. Just click on install. It is going to be installing. It's very simple. Whatever the plugin extension you want, just search there and select that and click on the install button. It will get installed in your editor, so that it is easy to monitor in your editor. So these all extensions will help you to reduce your work while you are typing the code, and it will give you the more about auto intelligence, that is auto knowledge for typing content. Yeah, it's successfully installed now. And likewise, so you can install that. See, open in browser also we can install. See, open in default browser. So it will give you like you can open in the whatever the browser we have, default browser. You can directly open the respective output in the console. So view in the browser. See, these are the different options what we have. So I already installed the open in browser plugin. So this will help you to directly open the output in the monitor by just clicking on Shift Alt plus B to use a browser and Alt B plus to run the HTML file directly in the browser. So I will also show you how to run this. So go to the files again. Just I'm going to be creating a simple file. See here, right click, new file or new folder, whatever you want to can create. So just I'm giving hi.html and here I want to write HTML file. See here, let's take example. So doc type HTML, and here I'm writing HTML head. In this I'm writing title. Let's take hi, and I'm going to be writing body. So in the body I'm going to be writing h1 tag, header tag. So welcome to HTML. So if you want to save it, Ctrl S, and if you want to run this, I already installed the plugin so that you can directly use that Alt B. See that, welcome to HTML, you got an output. So if I have not installed that plugin, you need to manually open the file and you can see the output. So this is the way how you are using the Visual Code to run the HTML or JavaScript or your CSS. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment in comment section. For online or offline classes, please visit our website www.fratelloinnotek.com, and for more tutorials, please visit our website www.kennisworld.com. Please support us. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, and for more notifications, please hit the bell icon. Please like the video, please share the video. Thanks for watching.